Sesibuyile liviki elisha. Congratulations to Royal Leopards, champions of Ingwenyama Cup. Hard luck Monene Pirates. Kubi neskrini sibe sasisasebenzela somhlolo. Sathi ukuthi kwentekani, but-ke bayathi labathi kuthi why iskrini singasebenzi. Siyamangalisa ukuthi-ke ikhefu lasi-approve njani i-stadium because asiwamethi some of the requirements, kepha bekuspendwe imali encombe kuthiwa akulungiswa sona so that simithe lama-requirements or lama-recommendations by CAF. Hey, this week to me nekutekateka but nje still Arsenal iku-title race sibonile i-draw 1-1 adding a point, not dropping points, not dropping position but nje ama-point angetekile because le gap ivalile bekusolo kungu-12 nyalo sekungu-11 okusho ukuthi there is progress ku-Arsenal ukuthi ikhanze i-Liverpool. I-Liverpool bayishaye 3-2. Hheyi, uyakhala umzaca. There are lesson to learn kuko konke lokho ukuthi Arne Slot okay nalokuthi u-admit-ile ukuthi aka-rotate akabanike abanye badlali ithuba but I don't think now is the time to do experiments. He has to go for a kill and do what he has been doing for the longest time now. Whether the players banjani, if afuna wina, he has to do that. Nokuthi-ke adlale with the defensive midfielder lapha ku-end, amdlalise ma-offing yalo endo usengumdlali langadeliver na. Some players like bo-Elliot awuchubeke abafake as ama-sub so that they can get more minutes, even though I feel like Jones, Elliot are now more first team players now. Okay, in fact, they are now first team players. They had to be given more minutes. And then again, Manchester City throw is Manchester United. Honestly speaking, I think Bruno Fernandes doesn't deserve to play in this Manchester United squad. That guy is a machine. Angathi ukuthi ngingabeka kanjani manje abantu batangilebela as a hater but nje Bruno needs a club, honestly speaking. I heard that i-Real Madrid izamile ukunokha but I believe now Bruno needs a club that will compete for things at the end of it all. That team is not Manchester United currently. Maybe kutawushintsha in some years to come, but for now, uyabambeleleka ku-career yakhe but nje ekugcineni maybe kutawusebenza sathi ukuthi yena udecide ukuthini. Then Kevin De Bruyne uyahamba ku-City okusho ukuthi but sekufanele now ngoba ngathi sowufike ku-ceiling, has reached everything, has achieved a lot of things with Manchester City and he has to go and see other things naye pursue i-career yakhe somewhere. Maybe Saudi Arabia is ready, maybe abuyele German club yakhe labayidlalela German. He has a lot of options to explore because he can still deliver at the highest level, unfortunately not in England. Then Gavies came out ukuthi bantu bathi akakwati kudlala ibhola and then-ke walebelisha something else. Asathi ukuthi Gavi why akwate kangaka. Then goalkeeper we-Barcelona they said yeah already ukuthi anike Ter Stegen i-first choice role, aqhubeke na-step back abe in-deputy, abe i-second choice. Angithi nje i-performance yakhe iyacacisa nje. And-ke another good news, Virgil van Dijk, there are positive news coming out. He might renew his contract very soon now, so that kutoba stable Liverpool. Joseph Ribeiro uyahamba kayishiya i-Orlando Pirates, and it's a wait and see situation ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates itawina njani going forward, because the idea or the playing style, a lot of things that have been happening in the club, the coaches influence kakhulu, but he decided to sivilele ukuthi ufuna i-Morocco national team ne-Finland. Looks ukuthi he has done a good job at Orlando Pirates. Nalokuthi nje he has been homesick for the longest time now. He has to go home, maybe be closer to his family. The Morocco national team job to him ngivu ngathi iyamsutha, because Morocco is near Spain. Nangikhumbula ngathi it's 2 hours away from Spain, angathi, but nje it's near Spain. Ukuthi angakhona ukubona ifamily yakhe anytime, or the family can travel ite kuye eMorocco, naye a-travel e-Spain if afuna ukubona ifamily. Secondly, the talent eMorocco is there. Sekuthi nje lapha nalapha, but the talent is there. Then sibona coach we-Southampton after confirming ukuthi i-relegate-iwe i-Southampton, wadecide kubeka phasi. We don't know why abeke phasi at this time. We'll wait and see. But-ke sibona i-Orlando Pirates still hasn't lost a game in the CAF Champions League competition. Yawina away 1-0. Then we expect ukuthi iphinde idlale this week, yabo. So it's a wait and see situation ukuthi Jose utawukhona kuyiwina le CAF i-league Nedbank, because he's still competing in those titles, but nje i-league akayiwini South Africa, akayiwina. Wayekela leso kuhamba angayiwini South Africa. Jose Mourinho, siyambona kuFenerbahce ukuthi he's doing wonders. He might win the league. Afika nje the way his team has been playing kahle. There is teams like the Madrid dropping points. Ngikhumbula ukuthi the ticket lenganiniketa lona la lidliwe, because Madrid idliwa, yadliwa. Bona-ke then-ke Madrid new developments ukuthi Mbappe senguyi-penalty taker, according to imithombo yetindaba now eSpain, senguye-penalty taker now. Then-ke bathi if ahluleka ayageja i-penalty kuba ngu-Bellingham. So it's a wait and see. Then we will have tonight we will have a game at Dortmund ne-Barcelona, tricky one, because the Champions League, it's a wait and see situation. Then-ke sibuka i-Manchester United. Coach Amorim ngiyayithanda le passion yakhe, nalokuthi he is not faced in any situation or any given time, because he applies himself. He also play his own football, his style of play, no matter the results. Ekugcineni kwako konke, there are some positives coming. I can tell you there are some positives coming, and you can tell ukuthi once Manchester United have a proper pre-season. As much as ingeke ikhompithe but kutawubonakala ukuthi kwentekani, kutawubonakala i-direction, le-idea lazama kusikhombisa yona, kutawubonakala ukuthi kwentani. Manchester United do need Bruno, but Bruno in his career now doesn't need ilokhusana Manchester United, but sekukuwe. Yes, Manchester United have been winning cup competitions, but let us be honest, this is not the Manchester United we all know, we all think about, and not the Manchester United everyone who loves Manchester United fall in love with. This is not the Manchester United labayithandzako, lebayenta ukuthi bayithandze. So nyalo nje okay, angathi ukuthi ngikhulume yini nge-Chelsea and Tottenham. Okay, angikhulume nge-Tottenham not Chelsea because bataze bazi labanye banusi bahashe kubo. I-Tottenham, I think Postecoglou, okay nyalo i-competition la kuyo i-Europa League, lane-possibility yokuthi ayiwine because wathi yena normally in his second season he wins things. So the things that he has to win or left to be won by him ilokhusana i-Europa League, but it's a wait and see situation because kule guy everyone cishe uyathi bajabulela kuyo i-Tottenham Hotspurs, and there are some good players there. Even the supporters has lost their patience or respect to Postecoglou and the administration Levy, the owners of Tottenham, and they started demonstrating that ukuthi showing some signs ukuthi sibakhathele. So it's a wait and see situation ukuthi kutawendekani ekugcineni, whether abafuni Postecoglou. I-team lengathi inkinga seyivukavukile emacanzeni i-Everton. I-Everton kulamalanga amaphoyinti akamane aphume kuyo. So it's a team lecishe singathi sonke nawungasiya lo ufuna kudlala nayo, you don't want to play with i-Everton ngendlela edlala ngayo. And then-ke siyathi eSpain ngathi kune-Barcelona kula Liga, kuphindze no one wants to face Anthony nje eSpain ngendlela lengekubhethisi. Ne-Bundesliga-ke ikhona. Bundesliga obvious ukuthi iso liyayichubekela iyatendela nje i-Bayern Munich. But nje there are some exciting games to watch this weekend. I-Bayern Munich ngisakhuluma ngayo iyodlala ne-Dortmund. So Saturday. So those are the games to watch. Angathi noma okay angenza ama-predictions, but futhi ngente across ngende i-EPL kuphela. I-game yeBayern ne-Dortmund, it's about team to score game. Ngikhetha leyo-ke eSpain. Ne-game ne-Mainz ngibona team to score nayo leyo-ke. Then i-game ye-Getafe ne-Las Palmas both team to score. Barcelona straight win. Real Madrid tawina this weekend. Then-ke ngiyakuphi eNgilandi i-Everton idlala ne-Nottingham Forest away, that is both team to score. Then i-Southampton idlala ne-Aston Villa straight win. Arsenal versus Brentford, Arsenal straight win. i-Chelsea ne-Ipswich, that is both team to score. Liverpool ne-West Ham, both team to score. Wolves ne-Tottenham, both team to score, but ama-Wolves atawina. Newcastle ne-Manchester United, both team to score nakhona. Hhayi, angigcine lapho-ke ngaze ngimoshe kakhulu, nithi ngimoshile. Okay, okay, angifake ne-Italy Serie A, ngibuke ukuthi kuhamba njani kuyo. Bundesliga ngifakile, i-Serie A, no, angiyifake. I-Inter itawina straight win, Inter Milan. Ne-Napoli itawina straight win. Juventus straight win nayo. Igame ye-Feyenoord utawuba ngibhodini to score lapho-ke. Sengiyangeda nje ukuthi unawo. I-Celtics itawina eScotland, itawina over 2.5 noma thani over 2.5 igame ye-Rangers kutawuba ngibhodini to score nakuyo. Then hhayi, ngigcine lapho-ke Tuesday next week or Wednesday batawube babhobhile leli thikithi engininete lona. Asibonane next week sisachubeka sisabukela, then keep the messages coming. Nisi-inbox-ele ka-Facebook ni-subscribe. Labafuna ukuthi bachubeke basi-inbox-ele ephejini lethu ka-Facebook. Siyaphendula and we share contact details ukuthi singabonana kanjani ukuthi sithe sto-record-a. Siyabonga, bye.